Apple's coolest invention won't be coming to an Apple store anytime soon, because it's actually a robot that can take your iPhone apart in just 11 seconds. Meet Liam, the future of Apple recycling. At Apple's event last week, a new iPhone and iPad weren't enough to steal the spotlight away from Liam, the robot the company built to disassemble recycled iPhones. A video of it doing its thing racked up over 1 million views on YouTube in just a few days. But how does Liam work exactly? And how does it fit into Apple's larger environmental strategy? For starters, Liam has 29 robotic arms rolled into one, each designed to take apart a section of the iPhone 6s with near perfect precision. So if you send your iPhone back to Apple for recycling, chances are that it will end up in a mysterious warehouse near Cupertino where Liam awaits. The first robotic arm removes the screen from the casing, another arm then removes the battery, and then the SIM card. I'm pretty sure Liam has never been a Burning Man, but still this robot leaves no trace behind. Even the tiniest screws are sucked up by Liam's suction tubes and kept in a container for later use. According to Mashable, some of Liam's robotic arms work in pairs, meaning that one arm could be removing the screws on your iPhone while the other one tampers with getting the battery out. Damn! I hope your iPhone has a safe word. This teaming up makes Liam super efficient and able to take your iPhone completely apart in just 11 seconds. That's faster than the time it takes to watch 2 Vines back to back. Liam disassembles 350 iPhones every hour, which adds up to 1.2 million recycled iPhones every year. Apple clearly takes recycling very seriously. Tim Cook kicked off the event last week talking about it. And Liam is just the first step towards the company reaching its goal of becoming 100% sustainable. Even though Liam is designed to only take apart the iPhone 6s, Apple has plans to create a Liam robot to disassemble other recycled iGear. And Apple's European recycling facility is also getting a Liam of their own. Being a mean green recycling machine sure sounds like a full-time job, but don't worry people, okay? This robot is only put to work Monday to Friday. Robots need the weekend off too, you know?